Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to your online class of maths. Children, we are in the third chapter, that is subtraction 1 to 10. So in this chapter we have learned sign of subtraction, subtracting 1, subtracting 0, subtraction on number line, subtraction using an abacus, backward counting for subtraction, subtracting a number from itself. So today we are going to start the next topic, that is vertical subtraction. Children, do you remember we have done vertical addition? In the same way, we can also subtract the numbers by arranging them vertically. It is called vertical subtraction. The sleeping line is horizontal. This standing line is vertical. So we are arranging numbers in standing form, that is 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. And in the sleeping form, how you will do sleeping form or horizontal? 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So we see that the answer is the same. When the numbers are arranged, numbers are subtracted either vertically or horizontally. Children, the answer is same when the numbers are subtracted either horizontally or vertically. Let's do some problems of vertical subtraction. Subtract 2 from 7, that is 7 minus 2. Children, you can also draw lines for this subtraction. So first draw 7 lines and then subtract 2. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer here is 5. Next, 4 minus 3. Subtract 3 from 4. So first draw 4 lines and then cross out 3. So how many are left? Only 1. Next, 8 minus 6. Draw 8 lines. Draw 8 lines and then cross out 6. So how many are left? 2. 8 minus 3. Again draw 8 lines and then cross out 3 lines from 8. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same way, children, you have to practice this in your notebook. Next topic here is subtraction facts. Subtraction facts. Subtraction fact for 1. For number 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Subtraction facts for 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So children, subtraction facts for 2 are 3. Subtraction fact for any number is 1 more than that number. Here subtraction for facts for 1 is 2. So that means subtraction facts for any number is 1 more than the number. So subtraction facts for 3 are 4 and subtraction facts for 4 are 5 and subtraction facts for 5 are 6 and subtraction facts for 6 are 7. Next, word problems. Children, in the addition also we have done word problems. So in subtraction also we have some word problems. Let's do them. Let's complete the word problems also. There were 6 children sitting at the table. There were 6 children sitting at the table. Out of those, 2 children got up and went away. How many are left now? Children, one more thing. If the question has given how many are left, that means you have to do the subtraction. If the question is how many are there in all, so you have to add them. At that time you have to add. And if the question is asked like how many are left, so you have to do the subtraction. So 6 children were sitting minus 2 children got up and went away. So subtract 2 from 6. So there are 4 children sitting at the table. Next, Anil had 7 sweets. He gave away 4 sweets. How many sweets are left now? He was having how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he gave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the left sweets with him are 1, 2, 3. Next. There were 9 pears. Out of those, 3 pears were eaten. How many pears are left now? So you have to do the subtraction. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. Next question. There were 8 packets of biscuits. Out of those, 8 packets were taken away. How many packets are left? When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. See, when we subtract number from itself, we get 0. Next, making both the sides same. This side we have 4 dolls, but this side we have only 1. So we have to make these equal. We should add 3 more dolls in 1. So now these are equal. So children, practice these. And with this we have completed 3rd chapter also. Thank you and be ready for the next class. Allah Hafiz.